Let's learn how do we divide the number 55 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 4. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 5 here. And we know that 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Subtract, we get 3. But see that this 3 is less than 4, but we have no number to bring down here. So in this case, we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. We know that 4 times 7 is equal to 28. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is less than 4. So we will again borrow 1 0, and we know that 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 55 divided by 4 is equal to this number 13.75. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.